Hello out there and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll talk about the principles of four. Have you heard about the principle of four? I'll share it with you today. The principle of four states that there are four things that we need to do in our life to be successful. So if you look at successful people in the world, be it in the business world, the politicians, or any other people that you look up to, if you look at their life properly, you will notice that there are four things that they do regularly. So what are those four things? If you're ready, take your seat and let's go and share this with you. The first thing they do is that they do more of certain things. There are certain things in our life that have worked for us in the past. So we need to do more of these things. Do more of what works for you. And when you do such, you achieve more success. The second thing that successful people do is that they do less of other things. There are other things, there are some certain things in our life that don't add up, and we expend so much time in it. We need to be able to identify these and do less of such things so that we can be able to achieve what we desire in our life. Then the third is that we need to start something new. If you look at companies, they always introduce new products at a particular period of time. The same thing applies to man. We need to do something new. We know that there are some challenges. We are more comfortable where we are and we may not be interested in doing something new. But that will not give you the desired results to be successful. So you have to start something new. Let's say, for example, you are someone who doesn't read in the past. You could join a book club and start reading. Another thing could be you are someone who, whenever you receive your salary or you make profit from your investment, you just spend everything. You could reinvest that money back to your business. So these are something new that you can do depending on what you are pursuing. And the final thing is that you have to stop something completely. There are something that there are some actions or some activities that we do that are not necessary. We need to stop those activities completely. And there you have it. Four things you need to do to be successful. And this has been proven, it has been used by successful people. There are more of something, then the less of other things. You start something new and you completely stop other things. Try these four things and share your experience with me in the comment section. See you in the next one. But before then, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye for now and see you in the next video.